Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for Tensura Niki, Slime Diaries. There you go. I'm X Creek. That's Azalvan and else.
Hello.
Hello.
All
Yeah.
right. Yeah,
You
yeah.
finally
It's
gave
it's
up.
it's too long. All right. Let's begin in three, two, one, go. Mm-hmm.
Uh,
That sounds like a flag.
Yeah.
you won't be able
You're
to.
not going to be able to just be lazy the whole day. I think he's just bored now.
This is what
Yeah.
happens when you have a day off and you have nothing to do.
Yeah.
You just ended up. You know what? I'm working again.
Well, maybe not work, but maybe go outside and meet your people.
What your
That's
Naruto
working.
training now?
That's
Mm.
supervising shit.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. What?
What is
Fuck
that's
fidget.
okay? Because that sounds a bit suspicious.
Oh
What
my
are you
god.
even doing? What?
I think it's like the equivalent of the humans tapping their feet on the ground.
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah,
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 I guess.
probably.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. No,
There's
it's not what else you think.
excuse me. Anything to do? You mean? I don't know. Play with the kids outside or something. I don't know.
Go play, yeah, like
Yeah.
recreation, something.
I still can't get over the fact that the old guy have mustache in this one.
Yeah, that looks weird.
Does it look that weird? I mean,
It is.
he has a beard, right?
It looks that weird
He
because
has a
in the
beard.
other,
So I
that's
always
true.
thought he had a mustache all this time.
No, he only has a beard without any
You know,
mustache.
Milim looks even more smaller,
That's true.
younger,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Milim looks
Even
more
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 lovely
lovely.
younger.
even than
Yeah.
even than the other show. Oh my god.
I like how we never question Rimuru, how if he looks like a Shota or a Loli.
Well,
Yeah,
he's
well, but it's
androgynous,
supposed to be
basically.
like, yeah, it's I think it's supposed to be like that. He's supposed to
Sure.
look androgynous.
He
Yeah,
can change
and
his
I guess
gender,
he
like
did
whatever.
grab. God, I forgot her name, but it was a girl
Yeah.
as the human body host. So I guess it's supposed to look feminine.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh. Look at that goblin or whatever who's selling the food.
I think that was the usual cook.
Is it?
Yeah,
Huh.
that's the guy who usually cooks for the for Rimuru in the first place.
Oh, here we go. Wait, did the old guy loses his mustache? No, no,
No, no, no,
mustache
No,
that's
still
it's still
still
there.
there.
there. The mustache still there.
Mustache is still there. He looks like 30 years younger though because of
Yeah,
that.
with the buses.
Yeah.
I mean,
kinda
the
looks
first thing you
younger.
do.
Instead of looking like 60, 70-year-old, he now looks like he's only
40 or something.
yeah.
I think
that's
it's
great.
because it's a lot simpler in here.
Maybe.
Probably.
So
yeah.
the thing they removed first was obviously the wrinkles, right?
Probably,
yeah, that's true.
I don't know why for Benimaru
Wait,
though.
wait,
The
wait.
thing they
Here,
removed
here
was the
comes.
horns.
No, here comes. Here comes. Who are you again? Hmm.
Oh my god, you look even more different.
Yeah, like who?
Yeah, he got like a lot less fierce looking. So
Yeah, that's true.
Hmm?
Huh?
Hmm?
Okay.
Oh.
The- oh yeah.
Kick
Outside,
Wow.
please. Wow. Getting thrown out of your own house. Oh, okay.
Are you the babysitter?
Yep.
Yes.
I'm guessing kids likes him. Oh,
Because it's just very big and round.
not sure about the like, but yeah, okay. Yeah, he's still bored, essentially.
I guess, yeah.
There are now two of him.
No, there's a bunch of them.
Wow, that's a lot of them.
Stop it!
How? Okay.
Okay.
Now that's your game, really?
Try to multiply yourself without getting caught.
Who are you?
Yeah, who's this one?
One of the goblins. I forgot which one.
Hmm.
You're that desperate for work.
Yeah.
Also, this is now like a proper town, right?
Yeah.
In the
Right.
forest, right?
Uh-huh.
Wanna build some walls?
Well, what's going to attack them? Monsters?
Wild, wild things that
Well,
like
season
destroy the
2
field or
proves them
whatever,
wrong.
right? Huh?
Who are you?
Uh-huh.
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 No, no,
Uh-huh.
no, no,
Start
no.
planting.
Yeah, yeah.
Because like I know it's close to the forest, therefore I'm worried because a lot of farmers get attacked by like wild boars and shit, right? The fields, I mean.
That's true.
So like if you're right next to the forest, or you know, worse, inside the forest, wouldn't that be even not safer?
I don't know, but considering it's like a huge town, I think even like wild animals would probably not get close because
What?
no, you're not.
Oh my god.
Oh,
You're
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 dropping
just
down. Yeah,
lazy
there you go.
ground.
No, only one
Help
person's doing the
Gobzo, come
job.
on. What the hell?
Uh, What is?
Reward for.
Oh.
Oh, because he defeated
Oh.
Gabil.
Oh yeah.
Oh, from
okay.
this.
Because
one.
you know,
Okay.
You
Gabil
get
was
like a
weak as hell.
new new weapon maybe. Oh, there you go.
Nope.
nope.
No, that would probably split the earth.
That's true. He did say split the earth in one swing.
Yo.
Oh yeah, there you go. Well, at least he's working. Uh.
No, it's okay.
No, yeah. Exactly as planned. Oh. Yeah. A lot of stuff. That's true. That's 2. Natto, yep. And I think you can make tofu from it too, right?
I think so.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's not selling. That's not selling it at all, though.
I mean,
Oh.
it's not wrong. That's not the wrong
Yeah.
description.
But that is not how you promote this food. Uh-oh. Well, you dug your
Burger.
own grave, Rimuru.
Oh no.
You dug your own grave. Nope. Nope. Enjoy your
Oops.
rotten beans.
Oh boy.
You dug your own grave. You only have yourself to blame for this.
Yep. Yeah, maybe after what Xion will be cooking for you, I don't think there's another episode.
Well, we can eat it. Just
Mm.
prep, a lot
Oh,
of max
yeah.
potions or something.
He looks a lot more cartoonish in this one.
Especially that face.
Yeah.
Hey, what is happening to you?
Oh. Okay.
I think
No,
I figured
not
out
this-
why Gabriel is like
Oh,
fucking
boy.
hilarious for me.
Why?
Do you remember like Running Man?
Uh-huh.
Do you remember Guangzhou?
Oh yeah.
He's Guangzhou.
Yeah, that's true. It's like the silly guy.
He's like the silly guy who tries to like look amazing,
Yeah, that's
but
true.
then fails extremely badly.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
like tries to do something funny, but
Mhm.
then does it in the reverse of what it's supposed to do, and then it's even funnier.
Yeah. I wonder if people who are watching this knows about Running Man.
It was very
it's
popular for
yeah,
a
it's a
while.
Korean like
Variety show.
variety show. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
it's it's to scare off the birds, the crows.
Yeah.
Really? I don't see any
It-
crows.
What the hell happened to
It's
that?
not working.
That is not the work of crows. Or is it?
I guess they're like monster crows.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, are you
What?
going to add what? Oh.
Your face.
Okay. Oh,
It
that's
is
like
his face.
Oh well, okay, sure.
It doesn't work, I think.
Did the crow just destroy his?
What the hell happened here? Oh my.
Yep. Oh,
Oh.
rip scarecrow. Yeah, just use this one. This is that guy from Mirai Nikki, right?
What?
What?
in Mirai Nikki, there's this one guy
Oh.
who's wearing that kind of
Mask.
mask. Yeah.
That's apparently a scarecrow head? Really?
Yeah. they use that in Japan apparently. It's to
Mm.
scare off the birds because it looks
What,
like
a
a
target?
huge. No, it looks like a huge eye, so the bird is afraid of it. Oh,
What are you doing?
is it? Does that work? To what?
Wait, you have your own harems away?
Well, they're supposed to be like training, like his underlings. Oh,
Yeah.
a reminder that she's supposed to be a lizard.
Yeah, why does he looks like a grown-up Megumin?
Because they're dragon youths,
Yeah.
but they look like a lot more humanoid compared to
Mhm.
Gabil. What was her name again?
I don't remember.
Hmm. I'll be honest, I don't remember any of the dwarfs' names.
Me neither.
Is Thorfinn, Corin?
No.
What the
I
hell
don't
is happening?
Whoa.
What are you making?
Clothes.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Now I
Looks
have a
nice.
question here. Like,
Hmm.
you're all living in a Western fantasy setting here. Why do you suddenly have the idea to make Eastern clothing?
I mean, the ogres are
Yeah, that's true. They do
Oni,
wear,
so
yeah,
They have mixed like culture. I don't know
yeah.
somehow.
yeah, somehow.
Oh, because the author is Japanese, so
That's true.
I feel like the easiest way to explain it would have been because Rimuru was originally Japanese, therefore he has Japanese knowledge.
I
probably.
guess, but he didn't
Yeah.
help the dwarfs just now, though.
No, but everyone was already wearing these kind of clothing in the first place.
That's
So
true, yeah. And
he probably
like
already taught
even
them
the
before.
town itself is like a combination of both, right?
Yeah,
It's not
Yeah,
just
yeah.
one, yeah.
and I mean, like, if I remember correctly, Shion wears a suit because Rimuru thought, yeah, she'd look nice as a secretary, so she wears a suit.
Yeah. That's like a big ass onigiri.
Pretty big.
Yeah. Yes, that's your reward. Now go work on the field every day.
Mhm.
Yes.
Mhm.
Oh,
Mhm.
carrot?
Oh yeah. Not be picky, huh?
No picky.
I don't get people who don't like carrots. What's wrong with them?
Yeah, I don't know. Actually, I don't get like a lot of stuff that people don't like. Like, hey, I don't like carrots. I don't like broccoli. I don't like what else? Green pepper. I wanted to say that, but then again, I have the weirdest one of all.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Yeah, I actually do not like chicken.
Yeah, some people have
That's the
like
What is
weirdest
it?
one of
The
all.
with the
3D.
weirdest thing that they
Yeah,
dislike. Like, how
I
can
tell
you
people,
dislike
hey,
that?
how
But
can you dislike broccoli? The real question is, how can you dislike chicken? I don't know. I don't know. But to be fair, I can eat some, like like if it's processed correctly, I can eat it. Like
Mm.
if you make it into a burger, I can eat it. Hey, hey.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind playing a game like this.
Mm.
Although this somehow just turns into like, I want to
Well,
say Sim City, but not really, right?
yeah, it's not exactly. Oh, you mean like a game where you like make a fantasy town or whatever?
Yeah.
I do think there is a game like that though. I'm not sure.
The town building game,
Yeah,
kinda.
yeah, like a
I think
town
there's
building game,
some
but
games like that.
not really like Modern City, but like more like this, like
Mhm.
fantasy or something. I do think it exists, but I don't know. We'll see. Which is why. Huh? What?
Oh, she didn't get invited.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Why did you not invite her? Yeah,
not invited.
the whole she's just sulking now.
Sulking.
uh, you shut up.
Wow.
Oh, the ending song.
Hey, did we get this in the first episode?
No, didn't get this last time.
Ah.
I'm glad they got Veldora out because I forgot he existed already.
Oh yeah.
What the hell? Is he wearing a bunny outfit?
Who?
I think that one was Rimuru just now with a bunny
Oh,
outfit.
I hmm. Hmm.
Cute.
Yay. Why would it not have a rainy season?
Well, I mean, if it's spring, summer, autumn, winter, then what the hell does rainy season fall under?
I don't know.
Summer?
Summer?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Fall? I don't know.
I would think summer, right? Because if it's hot, there's a lot of water and blah 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 rain,
Probably
right?
between summer and fall, maybe.
Yeah, something like that. Oh, why would you say that?
Mm, no.
Oh, yeah, well, now you're just yeah. Oh,
Oh, okay, let's skip.
okay. All right then. All right. Wait, let me check again. What did you say about Bunny? What?
He was wearing a bunny outfit.
Oh, that's
On the
near the
ending.
beginning, I think, right, of the song. Oh yeah, he is. What? Yeah, he is. It's in like 21 minute 32 seconds or something. They also Shion is trying to put on like a school swimsuit on Rimuru
Oh.
Oh,
and a
Shuna
maid
has a maid
outfit.
outfit,
Yeah. Okay then. All right, all right. Yeah, all right. That was Slime Diaries episode 2. Thank you. Also, speaking of Slime Diaries, he never even mentioned about the diary again in this episode.
No, because he was like, I will now proceed to make a diary. And he's like, no, this is too long to write. I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
I
not
guess.
do this.
but that's the title of the anime, though. Oh well. Yeah, Slime Diaries, episode 2. Thank you for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.